Aksai district stretches out across the vast expanses of the Don land and is justifiably acknowledged as one of the most attractive in terms of investment potential within the Rostov region. Here we successfully implement agrarian projects and actively develop the trade sector. The Rostov region has an advanced transportation infrastructure featured with trunk railroads and highways of federal scale, sea and river ports, and an international airport. The investment advantages of the Aksai poultry factory's location include a plain terrain, ecologically clean environment, easy access to pipelines and networks, proximity to the regional center, the city of Rostov-on-Don, and Federal Highway M4 Don. The company was established in 1972 and plays a key role for the region's food industry. The enterprise occupies the area of 40 hectares. The Aksai poultry factory is one of the largest regional farms in the sphere of aviculture. Since 2006, active modernization of the enterprise has been underway. At first, we launched a new building, the largest one in the South Federal District, designed for 142,000 birthplaces of laying chicken. Fitted with the up-to-date equipment, manufactured by the Salmet company, enabling to facilitate the poultry keeping and apply the advanced methods of production to minimize the risk of a human factor effect. In 2009, the poultry factory purchased new automated lines Ardenta of Holland made for egg processing and packing, with a capacity of 110,000 eggs per hour. The capacity of the poultry factory is 710,000 laying hens per year and 240,000 head of young birds. Annually, it produces more than 162 million of eggs. The Aksai poultry factory markets its products under the trade name of Yolk of the Sun, in form of a commercial egg, egg powder, melange, poultry meat, and minced chicken. The poultry factory sells its products into the Rostov region, Krasnodar Krai, and supplies them to Dagestan. The major purchasers of hens' eggs are hypermarkets and supermarkets of such well-known chains as OK, Auchan, Перекресток, Magnet, and others. The poultry factory delivers its products to the customers by its own transportation. For its in-house purposes, the enterprise has its own formula feed plant, which fully meets the demand for the formula feed. In order to provide the poultry factory with feed, in 1999 an affiliated company of Aksai Land was set up. The basic activity for the newly established enterprise was growing and primary processing of agricultural production. By now, the Aksai Land company provides the poultry factory with the required feed practically in full. The total area of land is 6,600 hectares, out of which 6,465 hectares of tillage and 135 hectares of pasture. All the lands are located within the Aksai district and belong to the company. The biggest portion of planted area, 51%, is under winter and spring grain crops. Also, the sunflower, corn, and soya are planted. At the poultry factory, a special attention is paid to the system of quality control in respect of both the input materials used for feeding the poultry, wheat, corn, sunflower cake, etc., and the finished product, produced feed, produced egg, and so on. For that purpose, we have certified zootechnical and veterinarian laboratories located within the factory's premises. The veterinarian laboratory runs a complete monitoring of the immunity challenge in respect of all avian dangerous infectious diseases according to the vaccination schedule, applying such recent methods and techniques as the enzyme-linked immunoassay. The quality of products is checked pursuant to the schedule of production control. The testimonies of excellent quality of the Aksai poultry factory's products include the awards of the All-Russian Contest Top 100 of Goods in Russia granted year after year, as well as diplomas of a winner in a store demonstration competition's quality of taste.
Наше предприятие посетили представители сертификационного центра, которыми подтверждено соответствие производимой нами продукции требованиям халяль. В Ростовской области от центра сертификации назначен ответственный контролер Таджидинов Эмиль, и нами начато производство продукции халяль.
On August the 12th, 2013, the ambassador of the Republic of Senegal, Mamadou Saliou Diouf, paid an official visit to the Aksaisky district of the Rostov region. Familiarity with the municipality's economic sector was commenced with a round work table attended by a representative of the Senegalese business community in the Fatick district, an entrepreneur, Mr. El Hadji Gouye Dieng, head of the Aksaisky district Vitaly Borzenko, and the United Ventures Management Corporate Group of Moscow as represented by Pavel Kaluzhny. All the attendees expressed a mutual interest in the development of cooperation between the Republic of Senegal and business community of the Aksaisky district. Mamadou Saliou Diouf highly appreciated the district's potential and voiced a hope for the emergence of partners among the municipality's enterprises. In the course of their call, the representatives of Senegal visited several agricultural and industrial enterprises of the United Ventures Management Group. The guests familiarized themselves with the production sites of the Aksai poultry plant, the Aksai land crop farm, the Interne vegetable store, and the Aksai brickworks. Completing his visit, Mamadou Saliou Diouf expressed his gratitude to Pavel Kaluzhny for the opportunity to visit some enterprises of the Aksaisky district. Both parties confirmed their desire and readiness to develop relationships between Russia and Senegal based on mutual benefit, stability, and reciprocity. Our prime concern as a company is to maximize the customers' trust in our products and to enable them to find amidst the ample diversity what complies with their religious convictions, among other things. We do take care of your health.